What is up, guys? We are back with another Humvee episode. So in today's video, we're actually going to be installing the carpet. The previous video, we actually built mock-up a center console how we want it. So today we actually took that apart. Today we're going to put like a nice flat kind of a metal shield. So let's just get straight to it. We actually got to pull out all the seats, the 2 front ones, 2 back ones. And first thing we're going to do is do a little template of the shield how we want it. We're going to cut that out real quick. We're going to install it, and then we're going to start working on the carpet. So let's just get to work.
Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. Thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy.
That look like blanks.
Yeah, they are blanks.
Hey, we gotta go fire them. Yo,
Oh, that's nice.
that's nice. Hey, let's save these.
Yeah, for sure.
We got some ammo. We found some ammo inside the Humvee. Not surprised.
Do you think we'll find a rifle?
Hopefully.
That's the plan.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see.
This is actually just a support beam. When I asked a guy actually who has Humvees, and he said that they put this for the Humvees when they drop them out of the helicopter, so when it lands just on one corner, it doesn't tweak the frame. So we are going to remove this for now. We are going to weld it back up just for extra support, because we're probably going to jump this thing just like we jump every other car. But we're probably going to just move it down and a little bit closer to the back, because the seats right here are way too close kind of to the dashboard. So once we go with the newer seats, bigger seats, we kind of want it back probably 2 inches and lower, so it doesn't it's not in the way of the knees in the back, and it's not going to be in the way of the seat, so the seat could move back a little bit. So we're going to cut actually both of these right now, and for now we're not going to weld them on. We're just going to remove them, do the carpet, and then later on we're going to do it and probably do it with like a finish, either carpet or like a panel or something. Yeah. Hold on a second.
I just left the rest pretty much.
Alright guys, so this took a lot longer than we expected. A lot longer. So we actually pretty much, here, let's take a walk around real quick and take a look. So you can see all this mess everywhere. We pretty much took out everything we needed to take out just to start getting our carpet installed. This is really flimsy right now, so we're gonna definitely have to do our own framing. So we are going to move that beam all the way down and probably do some little beams going. Well, actually, once we install the seats, the new seats, the seat brackets are going to be able to
Support it,
support everything. Yeah. So this is all that we did today. We are going to call it a night. We are going to be back here tomorrow night again, and we're going to continue with our carpet install. Alright guys, this is already the second day, so we're gonna get straight to work, but first let me just go over real quick and just show you guys what we're gonna do. So we got the Humvee nice and clean. We give it like a nice little pressure washer on the inside, so it's looking nice and clean. It's still a little bit wet here and there. So we're gonna start laying out the carpet over here, the plywood. We went to Home Depot and we bought this plywood with this kind of waterproof heated shield on already. Even though we are gonna put shield over it as well, like soundproof heated proof shield over it, but it doesn't hurt to have more extra, because this centerpiece does get really hot. The transmission and the engine is literally inches right there, transmission literally right underneath here, and that's just straight up metal. It's super skinny actually. So we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna cut out the plywood and we're gonna start laying out the carpet and start pretty much brainstorming. So a lot of brainstorming ahead, because we still don't know what we're gonna do here, so we're just kind of going as we go. So
Let's
go. Safety first.
I'm already halfway down, but okay.
That's alright, anything can happen. So we're gonna start folding the plywood in our carpet material. We did put the aluminum stuff on the bottom. We are still gonna put this material underneath the plywood, and then we put this material on the plywood underneath the carpet. So it's like double shield, like, under the plywood and on top of the plywood. This is actually the carpet that we got. This carpet actually goes for like a boat, like a fishing boat or something. So it's really cool. It's rubber underneath. Really nice material right here. Black. So I think it's gonna look really cool. Super skinny, so
We're soon gonna be, well, I'm soon gonna be rebuilding the boat, so comment below if you guys want to see a bass boat build.
yeah, we're gonna build a bass boat in this carpet as well.
But I'm not sure if we want to record it or not, but that's all up to you guys.
So why is it so hard to let you go?
I'm not gonna lie, but this turned out way better than expected. This carpet just looks so good right now, and it just fits so perfectly. The reason why we did a seam here is because to work on an engine, you gotta take off that. And we could just take off this whole thing, but if we ever need to work on an engine and we just need to take so we don't have to remove the whole interior, we just basically remove
We pretty
half
much
of it.
pop off the main panel of the center console.
Yeah. And since we're gonna have a center console built over here, it's most likely gonna cover the seam anyway.
It's
so.
covering it. We measured, it's covering it somewhat flush with this.
Yeah.
The only thing that's gonna stick out a little bit is, as you guys can see right here.
We have this
would be
little
the
gap
carpet.
right here. We have this little gap here, which is perfect because once we start building the carpet from here, we basically put self-tapper screws on the interior inside and slap this plywood with the carpet on the top and just put nice finished screws with caps and everything. This thing is gonna look so good.
We're just pretty much gonna overlay the other carpet, and then it's gonna this little gap right here. It's all even gonna close off because it's like my finger fits in there barely, right by the
but
nail.
once we lay the other carpet inside there, it's gonna close off perfectly. There's
Yeah.
gonna be no gap. It's gonna look so good.
Alright,
Alright guys, check this out. Since I had to go run to the store, get some more screws, get some more material, I had Roman actually soundproof the rest of the stuff right here and actually cut out some panels, which is right here. These things turn out so good. So let's throw them in real quick and just kind of show them how it looks. So it's pretty much, we just put it on screws right here on the back. You can't see the back. It all matters on the front portion of the carpet. A little bit dirty right here. So let's throw them in real quick.
Doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and
Yo, what do you think about that? That looks so good. Look at that.
Good.
It's perfectly flushed over there. The way we cut the wood, we curved it a little bit. It's kind of slanting down right here. So once we actually start putting the screws right here, the carpet is going to be under here. It's basically going to be screwed under this panel and under this panel. So it's going to look something like that. That's just loose right there for now. Just a sample how it's going to look. And then the rest of the carpet is pretty much just going to go all the way inside here again and just going straight down, and we're going to have another carpet laying right here. So more panels on the side coming, and we also got these finished little kind of plastic pieces. So once we actually put a screw wherever we need to, let's say for example right here, you basically just get it shut, and then it's gonna look like nice finished little clips. So it's gonna look really good. So let's just continue with the carpet and just kill as much as we can today.
To forget.
Check this out. This is looking so good. This is where we actually put all the screws. That's all gonna be covered by the pretty much the brackets that we made.
Finishing touches.
Finishing touches. This thing looking. We're pretty much finished with this whole side right here, driver's side. We're not gonna go in there, up there. All that's gonna be done once we're doing the center console and once we're doing the dashboard and speedometer, all this good stuff. But hurry up, let's throw those in real quick and just see how they look, because I'm kind of excited for this. Look at those fitments, that's perfect. Once we put those on screws, those things are gonna look so good. There you guys have it. This side is almost complete. We just gotta pin those down with some screws. They're a little bit loose right now, but we do not have 4-inch screws. We need 4-inch screws, about 3, but they're a little bit too short. So we're pretty much done with the driver's side. I don't know, what do you guys think? How does it look? Leave some comments below what you guys think. This thing, I think this turns out way better. So this turned out way better than expected, and it also took way longer than expected. A lot of brainstorming. So the work itself, the cutting, the measuring, all this stuff is actually pretty fast, but thinking and actually putting planning and all this good stuff, it takes a lot of time.
I've been here since 9 a.m. man.
Since 9 a.m. It's already damn near close to 10, right? There you go. So we actually did order new doors for this and custom seats. So we're actually waiting for that to come in, and we're pretty much gonna finish the interior, finish the other side before we start working on the doors, because we do have to fit the doors and start custom fitting our own, basically welding, making our own slant back kit. So that will be it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, I hope you like. Make sure to smash the subscribe button. We are doing this build with you guys together, so if you have any ideas, make sure to hit us up on Instagram, DM us at Foreign Builds. Hope you guys have a good day.